Welcome to Max Stars. This is the weekly forecast for July 8th to the 14th. Today on the 8th, the moon enters Libra about 10:30 West Coast time. Spends a couple of days there. I certainly like the Libra moon. Libra is ruled by Venus, and moon and Venus are both feminine energies. So our tendency to create and to move toward harmony, to seek balance, to seek peace, certainly would be application of moon passing through Libra. On the 9th, we have first quarter square of the moon, and generally that first quarter square will put an edge to the day, and it might very well be time to get things realigned, get things ordered up proper, especially amongst our relationships with other people. The Sun opposes Jupiter on the 9th, and this aspect will be going on for a few days actually. Sun opposite Jupiter will embolden people in many ways. We might see some very interesting maneuvers amongst the power elite, the power types, and the politicians and whatnot. One thing about Jupiter is that it generally represents expansiveness and good fortune, but Jupiter gone wrong can mean massive waste. So Sun opposite Jupiter could very well hit the markets really hard in some particular way. Finances or investments could get a bump. Something might change. On the 10th of July, we have a Mars-Saturn conjunction, and it kind of fits in a particular way with the Sun-Jupiter opposition, because as I was just saying, Sun-Jupiter opposition can bring chaos and mismanagement, and Mars-Saturn conjunct can represent things grinding to a halt, things becoming immovable. Mars is energy that needs to be expressed, and Saturn seeks to limit and restrict. So the combination can be degenerate into push and shove and anger, and we know the rest of that material. Another way to look at Mars-Saturn, Mars represents fire and Saturn represents rock. And we know what fire does to rock. It melts it, brings it into a lava flow. So yes, volcanic activity could be at its peak under a Mars-Saturn conjunction. So we're going to expect the Earth to shake a little bit, or some kind of fireworks to take place 9th and 10th of July. On the 11th and 12th of July, we have the moon passing through Scorpio. People tend to tighten up their feathers a bit under the Scorpio moon. We become more reactive, sometimes sullen, sometimes intrigued. Two good aspects happen with the moon to Mars and Saturn on the 11th, which certainly puts some grease on the wheel, brings some enthusiasm and high energy into play. Things get done. Venus enters Leo on the 12th of July to spend several weeks there. I like the combination. Venus is playful and affectionate in its energy, and Leo is the sign of freedom and enjoyment. I like the combination. It can indicate a time when we're more inclined to enjoy ourselves a bit. Go out and listen to some music, or catch a good movie, or go to a dance. On the 13th, the moon goes into Sagittarius and makes a triangle with Venus. I like that combination as well. Moon-Venus triangles bring harmony, bring affection, laughter, good times. So certainly not all gloom and doom, but we do have an intense week up on board. I'm sure we'll hear all about it soon enough here. But in the meantime, it's summertime, and we should be having a good time. All right, God bless. More later.